Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to use camera to animate your Roblox avatar on your iPhone or Android device. Imagine your Roblox avatar smiling, turning its head, and reacting to your facial expressions in real time. The camera animation feature makes Roblox feel more immersive and interactive by bringing your avatar to life. So whether you are chatting with friends, creating content, or just having fun in your favorite experiences, this feature adds a whole new level of personality to your character. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch Roblox on your device, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you have to choose the settings option in the menu to proceed, and then you have to select privacy and content restrictions option. After that, you have to choose communication option. Then you have to hit camera input option and enable the toggle located right next to it, and that's about it. Going forward, your Roblox avatar will animate in a pretty cool way. It's worth pointing out that if the feature isn't working properly for you, make sure that your device supports face tracking and that Roblox has permission to access your device camera. And that's all there is to it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty exciting feature, make the most of it to spice up your gameplay. And I'll catch you up in the next one.